was going to attend. I was wondering, in honor of Kyle getting me hooked on the podcast so many years ago, and to show him that his friends in Iowa are still thinking about him, I was wondering if you could play the Anne Heche's Butthole theme song. Well, of course we can. Here's for Kyle. This is for Kyle.
The Best Long-Haul Airline 2018 at the Travel Magazine Awards 2018. The ceremony was attended by 700 industry leading figures, travel professionals and media representatives. This is the 21st Travel Magazine Travel Awards, where global brands are recognised as best hospitality providers in Belgium. Emirates is an industry trendsetter when it comes to providing a better customer experience, both on board and on the ground. Emirates was the first to unveil enclosed first-class private suites in 2004, and in 2017 the airline took luxury.
It's everything that Final Fantasy had done up to that point and puts loads of different spins on it. Very experimental game, really hugely experimental. But the thing that sticks in my head about Chrono Cross was that it's a spiritual sequel to Chrono Trigger. And when you look back over the kind of the forum culture was really taken off around that.
Half ago, I got a Samsung S3 and I got the PlayStation emulator, and I found some genius online had gone and translated Police Knots and put the subtitles in.
When I started playing it, I saw how deep it actually was. It's actually a very, really cool game. I remember Molyneux was like talking about.
Man, that guy talks so much.
And it's fine, it's clean, it's nice. I've been playing it pretty loudly with the windows up. It sounds good. The driver's seat is supremely comfortable. In Sport and Sport Plus, the engine response is nice. It's a 416 horsepower V8, so that's not unexpected. The nose is growing on me. It kind of fits the rest of the shape of the car. It's not pretty, but this is a far more imposing Lexus LS than we're used to seeing. Before it was, I always had this as a luxury question because I was going to make a joke about Acura being the last luxury sedan, American luxury sedan standing, but I can't do that. So non-luxury sedan, it's going to be something like, no, that's luxury shit. All right, I changed my answer to maybe